My family and I have been playing a new game, and I thought I'd do an unboxing video. Take a look. So the game is called Smart 4, and it's basically the game of Connect 4, but it's like three-dimensional. It also has a computer built in, so it knows when you've won, and it can give you challenging levels so you can play against the computer. You can also, using the app, play with a friend who has the same game somewhere else. There's the instructions. There's a quick start guide. And then when you lift this up, all these pieces are in here. How cool. And then here's the actual board itself. So this is what the game looks like. It's on, and there's buttons showing here. See, I'm charging it right now. But it also takes about 90 minutes to charge, and then you don't need to be charging it. So these three buttons indicate easy, medium, and hard if you're going to play against the computer. Let's say you're going to play a buddy and you're going to go head-to-head, you'll push this button. And then over here is easy, medium, and hard levels of another game called Lights Out, which I'll get to in just a second. So let's say we're going to play against the computer, and we're going to play in easy mode. I get to go first. I'll be white. I'll put it down, and you just kind of click it. And the computer wants to go there. And again, the idea is to make Connect 4, but it can be 4 in a row going horizontal, vertical, diagonal, and even three-dimensional. So now it's my turn, and I'm going to put one here. And now the computer lights up where it wants to go, there. I'm going to put one here, and the computer wants to go there. I'm going to put one here, and I'm just gonna, and it looks like I've lost this game, which is unfortunate, because I know where the computer's gonna go and won.
Now the Smart 4 app does a lot of cool things that connect to the 3D board. Once you connect with the Smart 4 app, you can play against an AI that gets smarter and improves. Also, you can battle friends from around the world who have the same game and are connected on their app. So when you make a move, the app knows it and sends that move to your friend, and so forth.
I want to show you the lights out version. So click on a button and it switches lights on and off. The goal is to get all the lights off. All right, so by clicking, for example, here, everything around it switches. So these were off, now they're on, and then this was on, now it's off. And if I click here, for example, then these turn on and these turn off. And the goal is to get, using this method, all the lights off. Like I can click there and now it's opened that up. I can click that, turn that off. I can turn that off. My kids did not want to be in this video, but they did decide to use it to make their own castle, which I thought was funny. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is a really fun game to play. I am not here to sell it to you or anything, except I like to make videos of games that I really like and that my family likes to play. And this is something that's really fun. I really recommend this. If you do get it, let me know. Let's play online. I'll play you. I'll make a video of it. Have a good one.